Hello and welcome to 12 Hofmeyr Street in Gardens. I am surrounded by beautiful heritage homes and tall established trees, and we're a stone throw from Hofmeyr Street's popular restaurants and amenities, or for dog lovers, a 5-minute walk to the Park. Let's have a look inside. Originally built in the early 1900s, this home has been sensitively restored to suit a modern-day lifestyle. It's been opened up, and with large stacking doors leading to the outdoor courtyard, indoor-outdoor living is a pleasure. The birch ply kitchen with granite floors, stainless steel countertops, gas stove, and soft closing cabinets has a double sink, floating shelves, room for all your appliances, and designer pieces such as the pantry cupboard made by Raw Studio. The house offers 4 bedrooms, all en suite. Here we have the first bedroom, referred to as the yellow room, which has lots of natural light through the tall sash windows, green outlook, built-in cupboards, and a beautifully made bathroom, including an original fireplace, vanity, and loo. We head towards the second ensuite bedroom, which also has lots of natural light coming through a skylight, built-in cupboards, and double doors onto the courtyard. We enter the bathroom, which has a large walk-in shower, vanity, loo, and bath. That door leads to the separate laundry room. The Courtyard Garden offers peace and tranquility, lovely areas to entertain your friends and family, and is complete with solar lighting, a pond, beautiful cascading greenery, and connects seamlessly through the stacking doors to the internal entertainment areas. And towards the end, there is a private seating area just off the second ensuite bedroom. Upstairs, the master suite is to your right, with double glazed sliding doors and shutters for beautiful natural light, air conditioning system, a desk, dressing table area, large and spacious, with clear story windows, a perfectly curved wall, wood-burning fireplace, and the second flue heating up the room, and bespoke cabinetry made by Raw Studio, and a room in the roof to store all your luggage and out-of-season clothing. The ensuite bathroom is complete with heated towel rails, a bath with hand shower, double vanity, loo, and large walk-in shower, flooded with natural light from the north. The fourth bedroom has its own balcony with a view onto the pretty road and an open dressing bathroom, freestanding bath, built-in cupboards, a little desk dressing space, and a beautifully renovated bathroom with a large walk-in shower and concealed vanity. The Rooftop Terrace has spectacular views of Table Mountain, completely private with a jacuzzi, outdoor shower, and sunbathers for year-round sunbathing. Snippet city views can be enjoyed through the established treetops. Thank you so much for watching. We look forward to hearing from you.